everyone, welcome back to Punlok channel. Today I want to show everyone how to configure on the Dahua TVR on the analog camera security. So the first we need to go to the region and we need to configure assign on the Cambodia. Yes, and the language we can use English or Khmer, but don't have. And with open app we can use Paul, and then I click on next. It is the device installation. Yes, the license, and then click I have read and agree or to order term next, and then click Bangkok. And this one I think we should be changed. It's okay, this great. This one I change to 03. Yes, next. Yes, the last one we need to set admin pan turn, and then okay, skip, and then we need to click on the book dream job engineer. Yeah, yes, and my first boss, my first pit dog, my favorite apple, then okay, email forward. I need to put my email over here. 67 at sim. I use the Gmail for discovery the password that I forgot. Yes, okay. Automatic check and update. Yes, the name is Punlok. PP. So number, and this one instant playback 4, and long time logout, age, negative bar. Okay, next. Then Mangko 12 NS. Okay, separate from window, yes. Okay, next. IP version 4, yes, correct. I can assign the IP here, but I use the automatic IP, DHCP, not static. So this one is P2P network, so this one stays online, we can just scan, but I will cut this video. Yes, I will use the status for scan. This one we use for this another mainstream and substream for the online watching the video and the voice from the video until while you watching the video you will see hear the voice. So I will assign here. So this one I will configure later. Okay, right now we completely the installation of the camera with you online and with you on the monitor is done. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you later.